Good morning, everyone. How are you all, lovely children? Once again, I welcome to all in my SST class. Children, as you all know, that we had started in our previous class, chapter 16, Chennai. Okay? And this video is part 2 of this chapter. Okay? In our previous class, already we had discussed two topics. Okay? Now, in this class, we will discuss industries of Chennai. Okay, so this is our today's topic. Okay, children, industry. As you can see in the picture, industries picture it is. Some of the important industry of Chennai are cotton, textiles, oil refinery, leather goods, and railway coach factory. Student, some of the important industry of Chennai are cotton textiles, oil refinery, leather goods, and railway coaches factory. Okay, railway coach factory. You can see this is textile. Okay, cotton textile industries, oil refinery. Okay, children. So these all are industries of Chennai. Okay, you have seen in the pictures. These all are the industries of Chennai. Okay. Silk sarees of Chennai are famous all over the country. Children, silk sarees of Chennai are famous all over the country. You can see in the picture. All these are silk sarees and this is famous of Chennai. Silk sarees are famous in Chennai. There is a factory making tanks at Avadi in Chennai. Children, you can see one tank making industry is also, factory is also in Chennai, in Avadi in Chennai. Okay. So children, there is a factory making tanks in Avadi in Chennai. Okay, you can see tanks picture. This factory is also in Chennai, tanks making factory. It is in Avadi in Chennai. Okay. Here you can see scene from film. The film industry of Chennai is also very well known. Children, the film industry of Chennai is also well known. Okay. We all know about the film industry of South. Okay. This is the film of South. Films in Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam languages are made here. Children, South films are made in Chennai. Okay, films in Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam languages are made in Chennai. Okay, students. Now children, everyone come to the food topic of Chennai. The people of Chennai love to eat rice. Children, the people of Chennai love to eat rice. Okay. They eat it with sambar, rasam and curd. They used to eat rice with sambar, rasam, curd, etc. Okay. Idli, dosa, vada, upma, uttapam are other popular dishes. So children, the people of Chennai love to eat rice. They eat it with sambar. You can see in the picture, this is sambar. Okay. This is rasam. And this is curd. Okay. They used to eat rice with all these items. With sambar, with rasam and with curd. Okay, student. Idli, dosa, vada, upma, uttapam are other popular dishes of Chennai. So children, all these are the other popular dishes of Chennai. Okay, these items are very very popular in Chennai. Idli, dosa, vada, upma and uttapam. Okay. Now everyone come to the language and culture of Chennai. Okay. Children, here you can see the people of Chennai used to speak Tamil and English. Children, the people of Chennai speak in Tamil language and in English language. Okay. They are very fond of dance and music. They are very, very fond of dance and music. They love dancing and they also love music. Okay. Dancing and music is their favorite. Okay, children. Bharatnatyam is very popular dance here. Children, Bharatnatyam is a dance form which is very, very popular in Chennai. Okay. Here you can see the picture of dancers. People of Chennai used to speak in Tamil and English. They are very fond of dance and music. Bharatnatyam is very, very popular dance here. You can see the steps of Bharatnatyam here. Okay. Both men and women used to dance Bharatnatyam. Okay. This is the dance step of Bharatnatyam. Okay. Carnatic music is very popular here. Children, Carnatic music is very, very popular here. Okay. Music like Carnatic music is very popular in Chennai. Okay. The people of Chennai celebrate many festivals, but Pongal is the most popular. Children, the people of Chennai used to celebrate so many festivals, but Pongal is their favorite and popular festival. Okay, they used to celebrate Pongal with great joy. Okay, here you can see the small children are also celebrating Pongal, okay, with great joy. Okay. It is celebrated for 3 days with great joy and devotion. So children, this Pongal festival is celebrated in Chennai for 3 days. People used to celebrate this festival for 3 days in Chennai with great joy and devotion. Okay, they celebrate the Pongal festival with great joy and devotion too. It is a harvest festival. Children, Pongal is a harvest festival of Chennai. Okay. So children, that's all for today. We will meet in our next class video. Till then children, must take care. Be safe at home. Bye-bye. And thank you everyone.